Hi everyone, I'm Steven and welcome back to my channel. In today's chapter, I'm going to share with you on the decoration for Tillandsia Funckiana. Here you go. Let's check it out on how we do it. Here are the couple of things that we need. First of all, the E6000 glue. E6000 glue is a special glue for plant usage. One thing good is that it won't hurt the plant, so it is very suitable to use for plant mounting, right? Secondly, it would be the Tillandsia Funckiana air plants, or if you have other air plants that you want to mount it onto a cork bark or driftwoods and whatever, you may use E6000 glue. It is very good glue to use. And of course, the cork bark, right? This is a 4 to 5 inches cork bark. It depends on the size of the cork bark that you prefer, and something sharp that will help to penetrate through the cork bark. You're going to make holes for it, right? And then as well as a clip or pin, right? Okay, prior to this, I have glued the air plants, the Funckiana air plants on the cork bark up front, as it takes quite a while for the E6000 glue to dry up. So this is how it looks like. So after you have glued it, and make sure that it stick over there, right? It won't fall, and it is very strong. Use something sharp, right? So doing something like this, and then make it penetrate through and make holes, one over here, and the other one over here, right? So that we can use the clip to just tie it, right? And then tie it at the back as well to make it stronger. So for this one, let's do it together for the second one, right? Just open up the clip. Let's take a look and see whether we are still able to utilize the same hole, or else we'll need to make another hole. Hopefully the hole is big enough for two. Yep, I think you can get through. Right. Let's take a look at the back. Yeah, probably I just need to make this straighter. Okay, and then just poke through the other side. Alright, it has gone through. No worries, because the hose is rather small, right? So as long as it has gone through, then it is fine. Look for the other hole over here and just push it through, right? Just make sure that it tied up the air plant over here. Okay, if you have a plier, it would be even better. Just use a plier to pull it through, right? And then the other side as well. Okay, a little bit more, so to make it tighter. All right. Yeah, I think it looks just nice, right? Probably a little bit more. Yep. Okay. And let's make a knot or something, right? So that it's just stick at the back, right? And be careful, make sure you don't poke yourself. Okay, so here you go. The reason why I put it like upside down, because when we water it, just to prevent the water from sticking within the gap, that if it prolongs for too long, it might rot. So I've decided to put it upside down. But of course, you can put it on the other way up, right? So whichever that you prefer. Hope that my sharing in this chapter is helpful for you. If you like my video, do give me a thumbs up, a like, and subscribe to my channel. Looking forward to share more of my experiences with you. Thank you.